Because we wouldn't even have to have sickle cell if it wasn't taken from our indigenous lands. Unfortunately, sickle cell is a miracle when it comes to black people. It's a disease for the white and the Haitian. Because the only reason you had sickle cell is so you wouldn't get malaria. So white folks were dropping dead left and right, and black people were surviving. So your body said, let's deprive our red blood cells of oxygen to the point it's no longer circular, it's crescent shaped, and what we'll be doing is denying the parasites of malaria life. So it's an adaptive disorder when you force people from tropical or hot climatic conditions into cold environments where they breathe in this cold air. But the warm mucous membrane lining up your body was the first line of defense because you were blessed with these big noses. So they call it a disease, but for us, it was the damn cure. We look at this and now we have to say what? Well, this all changed as European and African diseases intermingled and became established in the New World. New agricultural practices also imported by European native mosquito species, which was able to transmit both Plasmodium vivax and Plasmodium falciparum, malaria. Man attributes or attributes the introduction of the former to Europeans. Listen to that. P. vivax, relatively low temperatures, and was rife throughout southern England during the 1600s. Falciparum was likely brought by African slaves. Let's listen to this. It's very important stuff. Since according to man, no human in the Americas prior to Columbus' arrival, native Indian people were highly susceptible to these diseases and either died or were incapacitated and unable to work while infected. Similarly, while some of the contracted servants brought from Europe may have been exposed to P. vivax in their immunity, they fell like flies. Species. What does this have to mean? Well, first of all, we mind our business. We like to talk about Christopher Columbus. But we have to understand, the boat he came on had slaves. They don't ever mention that. We have Columbus Day. Because of the Nita, the Pinta, the Santa Maria, and all that. Hold on. You do know that during the slave trade, 1400s. 1493. Why don't we have a Columbus Day? Besides the people were, he didn't discover this land. I'm talking about the black people he discovered when they got on that shit. That's what I'm interested in. But guess what? We were minding our business, and malaria has its inception when Christopher Columbus is coming in. There's your source. So we got called malaria. Malaria and its origins. Black people do nothing about malaria. So now they say sickle cell is a disease, says the white man. Unfortunately, sickle cell is a miracle when it comes to black people. It's a disease for the white and the Haitian. Because the only reason you had sickle cell is so you wouldn't get malaria. So white folks were dropping dead left and right, and black people were surviving. Let's go to that. White people were dying. Malaria, and their body was like, we're going to convert this into something so we can attack the parasites brought about by malaria. So your body said, let's deprive our red blood cells of oxygen to the point it's no longer circular, it's crescent shaped, and what we'll be doing is denying the parasites of malaria life. So it's an adaptive disorder when you force people from tropical or hot climatic conditions into cold environments where they breathe in this cold air. But the warm mucous membrane lining up your body was the first line of defense because you were blessed with these big noses. And so when the air went into you, it was warmer, and when it went through them, it was colder. And your body automatically started saying, survival mode. We don't know where we at. Give us a little time, we're going to whip something up. And it made sickle cell for you to keep you alive. You would never had it had you not came on the side. It made sickle cell so you could be alive. But I'll give you the reference. It's not black folklore. It's unraveled the molecular mechanism whereby sickle cell hemoglobin confers a survival advantage against malaria, the disease caused by Plasmodium infection. These findings open the way to new therapeutic interventions against malaria, a disease that continues to inflict tremendous medical, social, and economic burdens to a large proportion of the human population. And now you can go to ScienceDaily.com as a reference, but there's several others. So they call it a disease, but for us, it was the damn cure. Sickle cell anemia is the cure when it's black people. It's the disease for people who hate you. Because we wouldn't even have to have sickle cell if it wasn't taken from our indigenous lands. It's a fact. They say malaria has its inception with Christopher Columbus, 1492. That was a slave ship that he was on. And we were brought in from other slave ships and brought over here. And when we got subject to these conditions, our body created the circumstance called sickle cell to say he's diseased. Because these Negroes, we had some symptoms, but we wasn't dropping like flies like they was. We wasn't dropping like flies like the mixed Native Americans. They was dying left and right from that malaria. Everybody was dropping like flies. And the only people standing was black people. They thought we were zombies. They even made terms. I'm so serious. When everybody kept dying, and they see us, we look like we dying too, then when they about to really die, then all of a sudden we started getting back up. It was them niggas is zombies. They became scared of us. They said they got some kind of disease, keeping them alive. Think about that. We got some kind of disease keeping us alive. I told you it's sick, they won't die along with us. And so, there's a gene food consistency where we can see that until this very day they're very jealous, so they got to flood our community with the worst of foods. We just won't die. There's spermicidal sodas that's orange, and sodas that's green, and sodas that's blue. And I swear to you, I done put a damn latex condom on, with a lambskin, with a yellow, thick dishwashing glove, drank tons of the soda, pork fried rice, and 2 chicken wings with hot sauce, ketchup, and barbecue sauce, and still made the damn baby. Said, yeah, the kitchen glove bust. That's what we dealing with. No matter how much they try to kill us, it's like, yo, their body keep transforming. Let's be for real. Our DNA said, we're gonna keep being killed by police. And fuck it, we gotta start designing this black body to take in several bullets at a time. So now you wind up with Tupac, you wind up with Game, you wind up with 50 Cent, and you wonder why white folks be like, no, you gotta empty your clip on them. Like who feels like they have to empty a clip on human beings? But they're like, no. These Negroes are shooting each other talking about, yo, you ain't see the clip with the brother Big Wolf who got giving out food to the homeless, he vegan. He giving out he part of our vegan revolution. Interviewed him. Yeah, I got shot 13 times. It just shows you all the places he got shot. He just says it normal. Yeah, I'm good for probably another 10, but I ain't really trying to do that. Get too old. So white folks is looking at this shit like, I passed out when I heard a gunshot. We in the hood. Oh, they shooting again. Niggas make me sick. Other people, right, like, let's move, let's duck, let's hide, tuck and roll like it's a fire. Let's just not be hit by this shit. Keep it straight. And it's to the point now, I tell people, I've been shot. How many times? Once. Nigga, stop complaining. My nigga, I got one hit, and one hit. I'm like, damn, yeah, man. I feel like I gotta go back out in the line of fire and get my stripes. There was a time when one shot sufficed. Now I ain't shit unless I've been shot 5 more times. Now I do got a scar, I was cut, fighting floods. Nah, come on, nigga. Cut it out. You gotta get shot these days. Hey, niggas shooting themselves these days, get points. They ain't dying. So, I'm saying, your body, I don't think it's a coincidence we're able to just take all these bullets out of nowhere. I think the DNA is like constantly thinking. It's consciousness. DNA is consciousness. It's constantly, okay, they have to survive. They're constantly being killed. They're afraid of being shot. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to create an exoskeleton for them called melanin. Called neuromelanin. I'm actually not making these things up. It's very important. Yes. Your melanin becomes an exoskeleton every time there's a break into the skin. That part of your skin gets extra tight, extra hard. And then all of the calcium and magnesium start rushing to the bones that correspond to the area where there's a break into the skin. The second there's contact. Millisecond. Facts. So you hear all sorts of stuff. White man get killed, bullet went straight through him. Oh, hit his organ. Black man get killed, bullet goes through him. It ricocheted. What the hell is it ricocheting off of? The bones ain't pop or nothing? That they the bone, doop, 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 doop. Yeah, it's still in me. You know, take it out might be a problem. Shit is crazy. What do you mean bullets are ricocheting inside of a nigga's body? That just sounds weird. We just accept it. We don't know how amazing we are. Yeah, I don't know. It's happening too much. What is it? Oh, the bullet bounced off the heart, went off the kidney, off the ribs. Like, what the hell is going? Then you should be dead because it hit your heart, it hit your ribs, and it hit your kidney. You should be gone. What is it ricocheting off of? Bones? Oh, okay. So your bones should be out of alignment. It should have shifted or it should have cracked because the bullet hit it. But there's something keeping you alive. Obviously, something's keeping you alive. Yeah, the bullet's still stuck in my head and you're still communicating? This is some weird shit. You don't agree? This is weird. But then it talks to you, yeah, man, this shit's just messed up. No, you're alive. It's crazy. It's not messed up. This is a medical revelation. Like, do you realize we should study you and find a cure for death? Like, this is some wild shit. We need to get these brothers in the hood, round them up, and start doing a case study, because they simply won't die. We just take it so lightly. So we have become the roaches of planet Earth to white people. Yeah, you step on a roach, got that nigga. About time, walk away and it's still limping. You're like, yo, hold on. You know, I got something for you. You smash the hell out that roach. Like, now I'm gonna go get the dustpan. Turn around, he gone. Now you paranoid as shit. Because this ain't no regular shit now. Yeah, roaches are telepathic. You look it up, I ain't lying. Roaches are telepathic. If you think I'm lying, next time you got a roach moving around in your house, watch when you realize the roach is there, the roach stop moving too. You seen it before, right or wrong? You ain't walking this shit, you feel something moving while you moving, you stop, it stop, you move, it stop, move, it move, then you turn around, what the fuck is it? Leave me alone! But you know, you be by yourself, so you can't tell people you're going through this type of weird shit. Because no one wants to admit this is going on in the house. But I'll admit it. And I'll tell you, the man said this is for no reason. Even when roaches are dead, they're still farting for at least 15 minutes after they're dead. I was just weird. I just study all sorts of shit. But I guarantee if you look it up, you'll see I'm not even lying about this. And that causes asthma. So every time you kill roaches, just throw them in the garbage. Then gas is producing asthma in your house, or shortness of breath, because it attacks the bronchioles, the little small air sacs below the lungs. It goes in and starts attacking, because it's a death gas. You kill me, I'm gonna kill you, nigga. You're gonna have to learn to live with me in your cereal box, or it's gonna go down. Yeah, so you know, and that's why I'm like, man, this poverty thing is deep. It's warfare on a whole nother level. Because even the shit that's killed is still farting you into asthma and shortness of breath. And I kid you not, look it up. And you'll be polite as a weird dude, but it's true. It's not the type of stuff I like to spread people in the hood. You know, so, he started breaking down the supreme mathematics. You know, Asiatic black man came to the university and like, roaches are still alive when you kill them. They farting. Like all of that supreme mathematics shit, you get an asthma, you got a pump in your fucking pocket because you need to get those roaches miles away from your house when you kill them. Don't tell me nothing about the universe right now when them roaches is over there compromising our breathing. And when you hear about those 120 lessons, and you got an asthma pump in your pocket because you don't know to get rid of them roaches. Then they only, yo, just get some Raid. Did it ever dawn on you you're also breathing in the Raid that you spray?
Same thing.
Like, have you not seen the Asians do your nails and make sure they cover their nose up? Now, I don't know how these black women do it. They're like, we're covering our shit up while we paint your nails.
Stupid ass.
So yeah, let's give black people Raid that seemingly doesn't kill the roaches. Have you noticed that shit? And they can be having, now he got a whole fucking mink on, made of Raid, walking around there. Good looking. He'll go back to all his other roach friends. I'm going out there to get my Raid cooked. Them shits don't be moving slower because it got Raid. They look more motivated. Like, oh, this is trying to kill me. Okay. I know these roaches, man. They don't play, man. You pull out a sandwich and suddenly everyone starts mobbing. I know these roaches. They're one of the main reasons I had to escape the hood. I know these roaches. No, nobody knows. I know these roaches so much. When I caught one time, I wrapped it in paper and I burned it alive because I was losing my mind. I couldn't take it no more. I know these roaches when I was trying to pour out some cereal and it came out with the cereal and I caught myself thinking, ain't nobody looking, maybe I get the roaches out and still eat the cereal. I know these roaches, man. They had me at a very low point in my life. The one that stayed in the center of the floor when I got company. The whole time, ain't nothing going down. Now I got company, this nigga showed himself up center of the floor. Trying to step on me, nigga. Look at that. Now I'm here. I'm only trying to match my girl. Front. Nice little jewelry on and everything. Like, yeah, well, you know, I got my own space and shit. I do me. Roaches pop up. We do us.